Are you an online marketer, digital product creator, or coach? Do you ever feel overwhelmed when it comes to product development and creating compelling offers and sales copy? Frustrated by creating products that won't sell or offers that don't convert? If you'd like to see exactly how to overcome this frustration, then pay close attention to this short video. Most online entrepreneurs struggle with the product and offer creation process because it can be incredibly time consuming. All too often, the end result is countless hours wasted creating a product that no one wants to buy. But here's the good news: we have the solution to these problems. We're AI Profit Lab. We've uncovered new ways to use AI to massively shorten product development time. These are the same cutting edge techniques that industry leaders like Ryan Levesque, Roland Frazier, and Jeff Walker use to achieve remarkable results in record time. We've created a step by step online training workshop that will empower you to complete the product and offer creation process quickly and easily, letting you create more products faster so you can make more money. Inside AI Profit Lab, you'll look over our shoulder as we actually walk through an easy step by step process using AI tools to accelerate and improve your product and offer creation process. Here's just a few of the things you'll know how to do after you've completed the workshop. First, we'll show you how to use AI to uncover hidden, underserved niches that are ripe for product development. You'll be able to pinpoint opportunities that your competitors are missing, giving you a significant edge in the market. Second, we'll show you how to use AI to better understand and connect with your ideal client. With our unique process, you'll gain deep insights into your target audience's desires, pain points, wants, and needs. This allows you to create highly targeted products and marketing messages that resonate on a personal level, boosting engagement and conversions. Third, we'll show you how to leverage AI to develop offers that your clients can't resist. You'll learn the art of creating compelling value propositions that make your product stand out in a crowded landscape. Finally, AI can help you draft sales page copy and email follow-up scripts that speak directly to your customers' needs and desires. You'll learn the secrets of persuasive writing that captures attention, builds trust, and motivates action, leading to higher conversion rates, including insider secret sauce prompts that very few people are using. And when you enroll today, you'll get 3 exclusive, very valuable bonuses that perfectly complement your newly gained AI knowledge. You can find the details below. But you need to act fast. There are only 100 spots available, and this is the only time we'll be enrolling anyone at this incredibly low price of only $97. Once these spots are filled, the opportunity to join AI Profit Lab at this exclusive introductory rate will be gone forever. Seize this moment to elevate your business to new heights. Enroll in AI Profit Lab today and experience the power of AI-driven product development and marketing. Click the link below to secure your spot right now.